There are two parrots who are living in the yard. Actually, they are living in some of the apartments, and the owner lets them to fly free in the yard. And Buddy is always watching them. It is not visible now, but they are somewhere there. And Buddy is super suspicious when he sees those birds. He gets very nervous. Now he will stand a little bit on his hind legs like this, and then he will start to re-stash his secret stashes. He can stand like this for like minutes. He's observing the yard. Okay, so he hears the birds. They are out again.
What's happening?
Now he needs to make sure that they are not coming close. So he's checking up on them. Okay. It's time. It's time, Buddy, to restash. So Buddy thinks that the situation is quite suspicious. The birds are flying over there. You never know what they are up to. So he decided to restash his precious stuff. I don't know what is it. Like, let's see. Okay, that's a piece of apple. Usually he takes his hat that he stole from me and puts this hat in a different places. This is how he prepare the place to stash there. And then he will take the apple and put inside the hat. Let's see how he's doing this. Okay, the place is prepared. And now the precious stash goes to the hat. Perfect. Buddy needs to make sure that everything is sitting tight in there, so he will double check if the hat is well fixed on the platform, and then he can relax, because birds, they still don't know where to find his apple.